I'm not going to waste your time in this video. I will show you how to make a talking animated avatar like mine using free AI tools. It's no secret, the channels who have an animated avatar are blowing up on YouTube and other platforms right now. The channel Digital Income Project grew from 0 to 110K subscribers in just 6 months with his talking avatar.
Step 1. Text to image. We're going to generate a character with CapCut. Search for text to image. This function is a lot like Mid-Journey, and you can use it to generate images of anything that you want here. I have an example prompt in the description that you can use directly. Basically, I'm telling what it should be wearing, what the room looks like, everything that the AI needs to give me exactly what I'm looking for here next. We need to come over here and set the aspect ratio to whatever platform we're using at 16:9 for YouTube and 9:6 for Instagram Reels. Make sure to ask it for 4 options, so we have some variability in what we choose. Click Generate, and just like that, CapCut has created 4 images for our text. I think that these are solid, but if we want to make more variations, we can click on Regenerate and it'll create 4 more, or you can edit your prompt if you feel like it's missing something, and you can do this as many times as you want. For example, I can ask it to change to a red hoodie if you like the specific style of just one image. Then you can click Regenerate and it'll give you back as many that are just like it as possible. This might end up taking a few tries for you to get perfect, but for this example, let's move forward with this one. Step 2. Create animation. To do so, we will be using ArtFlow. Please click Create Video. It will take us to the next page. There, add the picture we just created from CapCut. Write a small script. They have many options for voiceover. You can try and see which one good for your avatar.
Hi there. If you like what you hear, you can use my voice to create animated stories on ArtFlow.
And click Animate. Choose the title or name for the avatar. Choose the title or name for the avatar. So we have the avatar ready. Let's see how is the result.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are creating Avatar with help of ArtFlow.
On the avatar we just created, there is a watermark which we can easily remove. Let's go to Media.io. Here, just upload the avatar video we just created, and with the help of the brush, remove the water just in seconds.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are creating Avatar with help of ArtFlow.